Just arrived back in Geelong. Tonight I'll probably head to Lorne or Anglesey. Okay, I'm out of Geelong on the Surf Coast Highway heading towards Torquay. Might go to Lorne today along the Great Ocean Road, see how I feel. Feeling a bit tired actually, it's only early. I only got off the boat 2.5 hours ago. So I'll be in Torquay in about 25 minutes, and then I'm going to head down to Bells Beach. Always loved Bells Beach, spent many days hanging out there. Righto, Surf Coast Highway towards the Great Ocean Road to Torquay. Right, just arrived in Torquay. The body of water you see ahead of me is the Bass Strait. Go down to the coastal road, Great Ocean Road, and I follow the coast all the way to Adelaide. 828 kilometres to Adelaide. Yeah. Probably 10 days if I take my time. I'll be in Adelaide. I'm just taking a detour to Bells Beach off the Great Ocean Road. Gonna have an hour's rest up here on the beach. Bass Strait ahead of us. Basically following that, that'll be on my left hand side, and for 800 odd kilometres. I'm just on Bells Beach. I get on the Bass Strait. Bells Beach is just down there. It's where the world famous surfing competition is. No surf today, Charlie. Anyway, tonight I'll probably head to a bit further down, Anglesey maybe. Always love Bells Beach. Gone really touristy lately. Oh yeah, new addition. Robert is now Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. I skinned him alive. He's now my Christmas decoration. Hi, welcome to Bells Beach. Just rode down here from the Spirit of Tasmania from Geelong, heading to Anglesey. Just went through Torquay. I've taken a side trip to Bells Beach. Bells Beach just being down there. Bass Strait. Keep going that way, Tasmania. Anyway, it's been a good ride down. Hope it's like this all the way. It's going to follow the ocean to Adelaide, 800 odd kilometres. All right. See you when I see you. coming into Anglesey. I'm just on the West Coast Coastal Walk, so the Great Ocean Road is just to my right and the water is to my left. Follows a long way along the coast. It's a good idea on a bike. Get off the road. Just leaving Anglesey. The Great Ocean Road is just right here. Go straight is here. Anglesey Beach. Life Saving Club is right there. Just following this coastal walk. Follows the Great Ocean Road. I follow as long as I can. Really good. Okay, we got off the Spirit of Tasmania. Come down here. Follow the Great Ocean Road. And we're now here. Going to go to Lorne probably tonight. It's another 30 k's. I'm going to follow the Great Ocean Road all the way to Warrnambool, and it goes into the A1 to Portland, up to Nelson and the Victoria South Australia border. And I'll keep following the ocean all the way to Adelaide. Alright, off to Lorne. Just on the Great Ocean Road, heading towards Lorne. Beautiful. Should I be nervous? Great Ocean Road. It's a tourist. Nah, fuck it. Should be right. Okay, just arrived at the Great Ocean Road Memorial Arch. Great Ocean Road is actually the longest memorial for soldiers in the world, built by the soldier returning from war. The arch is destroyed a couple of times, bushfire, a truck hit it. Yeah, here we are. About 10 k's out of Lorne on the Great Ocean Road. Getting the real dangerous spots around here with the traffic and in the road. Beach to my left, cliff to my right. I'll see you there. Starting to get really windy on the Great Ocean Road. Look at that. Can't get it. Absolutely beautiful. I found Rudolph. Alright, welcome to Lorne on the Great Ocean Road. At the Lorne foreshore caravan park tonight. $55, and that's with a 20% discount for an unpowered, for a powered site. Very expensive in touring. So all this spot is mine. Water, power, toilets, laundry right there, rivers right there. I'm using this spot right here. miss Tasmania. Free camping. Morning, just leaving Lorne. Packed up, heading off. Gonna go as far as I can today. No target in mind. I'm going to stop about 15 k's, a place called Weir River. Have some breakfast, coffee. This is the downtown part of the shops are in Lorne. Gets super busy in about a couple of weeks. Road, 13 kilometres outside of Lorne, heading west. Just stopped at Wayne River, Ocean Road. Ocean Road is right there. Cool spot. Oh, there's Apollo Bay. There. 10 kilometres on the Great Ocean Road. Alright, we're just coming into Apollo Bay on the Great Ocean Road. Alright, we're in Apollo Bay. Very busy. So the tour buses stopped on the way to the 12 Apostles. Looks like it anyway. Alright, I'm at the Caravan Park. State run. I'm going to be right here. That's me for tonight in Apollo Bay, by the river. Beach is just over there.